Welcome back. Now it's time to do something real and install the Visual Studio. But before we go ahead and install the Visual Studio, first we have to understand what is Visual Studio. Simply, Visual Studio, it's an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. In a very simple words, this means that it's an application that allow you to develop your own application using its features and options to help you develop your own applications. So without any further introductions, let's go and see how can we get it. Go to this URL visualstudio.com/downloads. This will take you to the official website of the Visual Studio. The version that we will be using is the Community Edition. Go ahead and press free download. It's the free version of Visual Studio. It will download a file called VS Community. Go ahead and open it. I've already opened it. It will open a window like this, full of different features. Throughout this window, you'll be able to choose exactly what features of Visual Studio you want to install. And as you can see, as I'm selecting features, it's calculating the size right here. As you can see, as you're adding features, it's telling you exactly the size that will be installed. Now, the one that we will be using for this course at the moment will be .NET Desktop Development and ASP.NET and Web Development. Of course, anytime you can come back and add features or remove features. It's very flexible. Before we go ahead and install it, I have to notify that there is another version for Mac. Go to the same URL, visualstudio.com/downloads, and you will see the same versions for Visual Studio, and you will see also the Community Edition that we've just installed on Windows. Go ahead and press free download. The only difference between the Visual Studio on Mac and the Visual Studio on the PC is that you will not find the window of options that we have seen here on Mac. It will be a very straightforward on installations, and you will not be able to choose from all these different features. Now, go ahead and press install and see you.